Welcome back to the program, people. LDN Connections there again, you know. Just I done a little quick preview still because I have a little ends where I want to do a quick preview upon I passed through the other day. And I say, you know what, I have to do a little quick thing upon a place, and especially we see some nice, clean, put together, black people place. We have to give a little shout out. And you can see it on the flyer just so. The place called Swift Caribbean Delight, which is 373 I Road, London N17 6QN. But here one I give a preview of the place now. So I say I pass through the other day, a little party, a little birthday thing in the place. Right, people, the place look clean, tidy, the food right, But here what catches me at the place here. You go downstairs and you say, wow, you know what I mean? You know, sometimes you're there up on a Saturday and a Friday or sometime and you say, you know, I go out and have a little quick cocktail, You know, you and your girl or you flex with your friend and you say, I want a little quick drink and a place to go and chill. But them have a downstairs where they tell you the cocktails up, people. So you need to check out that place. And the place is called Swift, right next to where you used to have the old Swan and the Tottenham bus garage there, so, just right there, so. So yeah, well, you have the parking still where you can park over the other side of the road, right around at the, just the opposite side. You can park. She's have a little nice little parking over there, so you can't really park on the road, but you can park over the other side, and the place is nice. So some, Jamaican, it look like Jamaican thing. You know what I mean? And when we see them nice place, black people place where the people want to do them thing nice and look good, we have to give them a shout out and we have to make them place be known and let people know. So when you're there up on a Saturday and you want to pass through, I think them do a thing every Friday and a Saturday. I'm not 100% sure. We'll double check this still, but I think it's a Friday and a Saturday them do a party thing over there, And may I tell you, the last party I go was well good, my people, and you feel saying you need to check it out. And for the cocktail, definitely check out the cocktail. There was a brother there make some cocktail, I tell you. The cocktail, right, people. So yeah, man, place called Swift. 373 I Road, London N176UN. Yeah, man, and them do other things too, catering, wedding, christening, parties, anniversaries. They do all sorts of stuff, people. So check them out and definitely check out the cocktail, yeah? And when you go over there, sir, tell them say LDN send you know what I'm saying? And respect. And we catch up another time. Bless.